ithini lensha lageza papa phela ithashangane you touch me fusekho nasitabane seshangane fusekho nasitabane wena ufuna kube isitabane lapha papheni ngikubona ngaleli igoda lelo lifaka ekhanda ngibulala nyovu wena sunwe nja wesitabane uyisitabane wena sitabane godoy sak haw kirubela karuna ubulela nyovu wena papheni akekho ngazi ukuthi njoba sikhulekela ubunye silola ubunye thina siyinto eyodwa njengoba siphuma Eastern Cape nje ekebe sidile nematha yase Eastern Cape ngendlela esidile ngawo nayo akekho umuntu ocwaswayo why you are becoming so sensitive uma umuntu okhuluma nje nani manikhuluma lithi you touch Shanganezi you touch me senisaba igama elikela show umuntu wakwaZulu elithi Shangane siyezaka lapha eLimpopo abantu baseLimpopo namashangane funa mazi uPapa Penny uyena otypist ngoba usensitivity yakhe yonke into uyayistabilizer ufuna bese ngathi kuliwa namashangane. There's nothing like that. Sengikhathele uPapa Penny nekhwapha ikhwapha lakho selinginukele kwanele ikhwapha elixhophayo lele ngathi lika anyanisi ikhwapha lika fish fuck you uyinja yabo ngifuna abantu baseLimpopo bazi ukuthi wena ndokucwebezela nje negode ekhanda uyisitabane you are a gay so now phuma insizweni thina la kwaZulu awazi naPapa Penny thina la kwaZulu ngisho insizwa emikahle yayisigora njengo Mbokazi lo kade igoli izolo yabo yabona nje unami ngilizela ishangane khona umfana nje lapha oyisigoro oqubula usimende wenza yonke into ojimayo engimzele ngisho ngiyesibayeni uthwelade Shangane. This way we love Shanganese because we know that they are powerful. Zikhona insizwa emashanganeni. Zikhona insizwa emashanganeni. Njengoba kade sisho futhi ukuthi zikhona insizwa le emampondweni nakwaXhosa nakumahahabe. Njengamanje isikhathi ukuthi sihlangane. So we cannot allow with the shit politics by you Papa Penny with the broken English like your nose and your wisdom is broken and you come and divide us. Never thina manje uZulu inzulu ayifundile drive itekisi ikwazi ukulwa ngizokushaya. We are not offended instant.
Hi bazala bam, welcome to Mkosi noMagatsheni. I am uMangatsheni, so that is Ungizo Mchunu bazala bam zitho responding to uPapa Penny. uPapa Penny yenza ivideo akwate he was very angry akwatela ukuthi Ungizwe Mchunu the time batoto ku March and March baye bacula ukuthi mahamba amashangane. So uPapa Penny wathi every time Ungizwe Mchunu makane problem yena ukhuluma ngamashangane yini ulahlekelwe ubaba omshangane or ufind out ukuthi ubaba wakhe umshangane wamlahla. You know, I feel like uPapa Penny in this thing ne kule matter. I know Ungizwe Mchunu uhlala yenza into eningi ezi wrong, uhlala sometimes a man of approach yakhe ihlala iphumeleleni, but this time I feel like uPapa Penny yena he knew ukuthi Ungizwe Mchunu matha amashangane ushabo bani. He was not referring to amaTsonga or South Africans, but he was referring to abantu bangaphandle, because we know as much as we term wrong that is being used or people are using ukuthi bathi abantu bangaphandle amashangane, they are not referring to amaTsonga lawa wala South Africa, we know. And Ungizwe Mchunu ku that much ushilo, he stated clearly ukuthi abantu afuna bahambe, not everyone, the illegal immigrants, that means abantu abase South Africa ngokungekho emthethweni yibo labo kumele bahambe. Then nama Nigerians akakhethi bala bonke uthi mabahambe just because of izinto esaziyo ukuthi or izinto esivelile ngaphambilini ukuthiwa zenzwa ama Nigerians, like ukudlengulwa kwabantu besifazane, ukuthengisa idakamizwe, ukuthunjwa kwengane. Now they've launched their king. Recently they've just launched their king. So a lot of things, guys, this is as we sense against South Africa. Bad things ukuthiwa zenziwa ngaphandle abantu abeze South Africa abangasama South Africans. Eziningi zazo zenziwa ama Nigeria ezimbi. we've been having abantu ababuye eLesotho size sikhohle nokuthi eLesotho abantu ababuye eLesotho no South Africans ngale ndlela abanepeace ngakhona abantu ababuye eBotswana abantu ababuye eNamibia we do not have problems nalabantu labo but we do have problems nabantu ababuye eNigeria even abantu ababuye eGhana guys you know abantu baseGhana sebakule point ukuthi sebasitshengisa ukuthi these are Nigerians these are Ghanaian and we are not abantu ababantu and even us as Ghana abantu aba-Ghanaians we are complaining about these people which are Nigerians guys so I feel like kule ndaba le angikhulumeli Papa Penny but ngifila ngathi uPapa Penny uvele wazenisakafina and mhlawumbe Papa Penny was against the match nje bakafuna ukuresponda kungizwe then wayenza izifu kuthiwe ungizwe has never said amansonga mohamba azohamba yephi because they are South Africans azohamba yephi and Papa Penny if bekafollow the match bazo understand yes mangisho ukuthi ivideo leyo ngizwe ngipostile le ungizwa responda kwe I feel like he's being very disrespectful banga besingekho isidingo sokuthi responde to Papa Penny and besingekho isidingo sokuthi asho lamagama ashilo Papa Penny and in order for us to take ungizwe serious naye mina aqala azithathe serious because indlela aziphatha ngaye naye hayi engathi uba worse kunokuthi abe ngcono but bazala bami ungacommenta down umbono wakho and please don't forget to like subscribe share and hit that notification button nginithanda ukuya nokubuya